how to attract high quality men into your life. My name is Okoro Blessing Kiruka, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CEO, your number one relationship therapist in Africa. I know you ladies want to know, how do I attract high quality men into my life? Those quality, classy, bougie men. I know I'm gonna teach you on this video. Number one way to attract a high quality man is to be a quality woman. Many of you women want so much that you cannot give. Quality wants quality. Many of you women just sit down and you relax and you want so much from a man. That same thing you want from a man is what a man also wants from a woman. Before we talk about how to find this quality man, are you quality enough to be qualified to be with this quality kind of man? Yeah, women, I want to teach you something. You can get so much that you cannot keep. Getting something as a woman is the easiest thing that can happen to you, but keeping that thing is the hardest thing and the hardest challenge you and I are facing today. Now, you are going to get this quality man, and I'm going to teach you how to get them. But first of all, I'm also going to teach you how to qualify for this quality man. My darling, you need to build yourself. You need to equip yourself. If you want to get this quality man, where are you going to? Who are you? How much have you improved yourself to be qualified to go to that place that these quality men are going to? If you cannot grow yourself, if you cannot put value in yourself, you might not even be able to enter that place that this quality men enter. Exactly. Now pay attention. Let me teach you how to get this quality. Listen, as a woman, when you are doing something for yourself, when you are building yourself, when you are qualifying yourself, you are not going to look for this man. What you do is going to take you to that location that this quality men are. Exactly. You are going to be there at the right time. The point is, many of you would never get to meet this quality men because you never get to qualify yourself. That's the reason why you sit down in your room and you're looking for which hotel you want to go and sit down and be sipping Sprite for 24 hours. If you're working, if you're doing something for yourself, business meetings are going to take you there. Different seminars are going to take you there. You're going to be there. And they're going to find you there. You're going to interact with this quality men. What am I trying to say? You don't need to look for this quality men when you build yourself. They will come because you're going to be at the right place at the right time when you build yourself. This is the issue. As a woman, you focus too much on a man. A lot of you women think that a man is your savior. A man is your messiah. So most of you just sit down, relax, and waiting for opportunity to fall on you. You're an opportunist, so you don't grow yourself. This is what happens to you. When opportunity finally fall on you and you mistakenly jam this quality man or a rich man or a wealthy man, whatever we want to call it, this man is going to turn you into a slave because he knows that you are hungry. So when he meets you, he's going to entice you with food. He's going to feed you. And when he feeds you, he's going to enslave you. That is a woman without vision. That is a woman without zest. That is a woman that just wants bread. And trust me, when you meet a quality man, they will feed you with a lot of bread, but they will enslave you. As a woman, I want to share one very deep secret with you. Some of you are going to say, oh, Blessing, are you saying that you need to have money? Better soup na money kila mowe. Adamangwa sekem ya adada. Yes. You need to be in a certain class. That's why I said, build yourself as a woman. Qualify yourself to be in that place. Exactly. Where do you work? What kind of people do you meet? Where do you live? Where you go to? Where you work? Where you live? Determine the kind of people you are going to meet. Some of you have been meeting folk boys all your life because you do not grow yourself. When you are going to Ajegule, when you are walking in all the ghettos, these are people that see you. Now let me tell you something. Your location, where you live and where you work is very, very powerful. That's why as a woman, you're going to build yourself to that point that you have to move from one level to another level. That's what I mean by level up. Where are you going to? Your location. where you go to determine how to find high quality men. You don't find high quality men in regular places. You find them in some kind of bougie places. Nice restaurants, nice hotel, nice quality banks, private jets. When you travel out of the country, some bougie classy areas, that's where you get to find them. Now the question is, how do you get into those classy areas if you're not a classy babe? Because it is not every girl that can enter every place. You need to build yourself to a certain level, and that's the reason why I said, are you qualified enough to be able to go into that certain area? Now, before you enter into a certain area, they can be selling a bottle of Coke for 25,000 naira. Can you afford it? Dear women, if you want something good, you need to build something good for yourself. As a woman, good things are going to come to you, but if you don't know how to maintain it, you're going to mess it up. Many women have had quality men in their life, good men, rich men. What did you do with it? Nothing. Why? Because you didn't qualify yourself. You were so conscious to grab so many things that you cannot keep. So, instead of rushing out there to grab, looking for a man, looking for a quality man, my darling, sit your ass down and qualify yourself. When you're qualified enough, these men will rush into your life. It's like magnets. You wouldn't have to look for them. They will find you. Like I said, you would always be at the right place at the right time. Go and grow yourself, beautiful.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware